We are creating AI agent for the different sectors. Actually, we are not creating a one AI application. We are creating like a Google Play Store.
When will be the launch of NeuroX token?
When we are creating something, we need to become a success.
Okay, hello everyone. So this is Dr. Kao from AI Web3 community, and today I'm so glad met with the founder of Neurolanche. Leo is here.
Hey
Hello.
guys, how is going? Everything is I wish good. I'm Leo, co-founder of Neurolanche and also still manager of Neurolanche. Nice to meet you.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice to meet you. So how is your flight?
It was a terrible. I flight first time in my life more than 3 hours. I flight 17 hours around, and how can I tell you? We started our journey Saturday morning, and we arrived here last night, which is meaning Sunday night. And
Right.
it was hard, but it is so good to come here. Thank you.
Oh, that's great. So glad you finally make it here.
Yeah.
So did you want to briefly introduce your project?
Yeah, sure, for sure. I mean, firstly, I need to mention here, I'm Leo, co-founder of Neurolanche. Of course, I said it, but I mean, we are, as a Neurolanche, we are building our products in Polkadot and Astar last 4 years. We created Neurolanche 2020 at university as to be honest, the researcher stuff. We were researching about the pandemic process in the psychological parts, how pandemic process is affecting to people. But when we are doing this stuff, we started our journey in blockchain part. And 2 years ago, we launched the first product, which is meaning the NFT collection, Neurolanche NFT collections. It was the first NFT collection which is using directly to substrate native part in Polkadot ecosystem, and we are still the biggest NFT, the most expensive and most valuable NFT collection in Polkadot ecosystem. Then after it, we created some different applications for Polkadot, but we are mainly AI projects right now. We are just focusing to creating AI applications to add benefit for humanity to use these applications in real life to getting more easier life. For example, we are creating AI agent for the different sectors. Mainly ads. Thank you.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, Leo. What do you think the next country or city which can be the center of the Web3?
Istanbul.
Simple. Okay, great. If you have the opportunity to have a cup of coffee with someone, like some big guy in Web3, who would be the guy?
Of course, Gavin Wood, which is the builder of the EVM for me. Also, he is the directly main founder of the Ethereum, Solidity, Web3 Foundation, Web3 Term, Polkadot. What else? He's actually, for me, after the Satoshi Nakamoto, which is the biggest guy in the cryptocurrency.
Nice. What's your favorite blockchain application?
Okay, Astar network.
Nice. Now, this is a fun question. Now we are at the Polkadot Decoded Asia.
Yeah.
And if somehow you just get 10 DOT token
Okay.
for free, maybe from the ground, someone dropped that, what are you going to do with that?
All right, good questions. I'm gonna swap it to Astar token.
Nice. Okay. Okay. So next one is which project in the Polkadot, or maybe outside of Polkadot, do you think has the potential to achieve the mass adoption?
All right, good questions. For me, in blockchain part, probably it's gonna be Soneium, not in Polkadot directly, in the general part, because it is first blockchain gonna happen, which is also from Web2 part, because Soneium has a background from Sony Labs and also Astar, and it is the biggest movement right now in cryptocurrency, actually in blockchain technology also, which is coming from the Web2 as a giant company to Web3. What does it mean? We can use Soneium chain in the different real products, and we can reach new users, which is not related to directly Web3. And I'm thinking Soneium gonna be the biggest chain in the future if they're gonna keep very good working on the Soneium part. If they can integrate just one basic product from the Sony, like a PlayStation, I mean they can reach the real 100 million users in real life, daily active user, which is gonna be most valuable for blockchain part, because we can use the blockchain in the PlayStation products so good. For example, you can use in the some GameFi as an asset with using blockchain. You can make these assets like a ownership stuff. You can use this NFT in different games with integrating to one blockchain to like a PlayStation stuff. And for me, Soneium definitely the best answer for here.
Nice, thank you, Leo. So we know Sony and Astar, they work together. What did you feel about Astar in this work?
Okay, for me on this process, I'm really liking what Astar is doing, and definitely Sote's vision is so good here. He's trying to focus here to enterprise, which is from the Web2. We know also Astar worked before like a Toyota, Mitsubishi, Mazda, what else, Calvi, like a different real Web2 companies. It is so important here to reaching to real users. What I'm telling here, I'm not saying here Web3 users, real users like my mom, my dad, which is not directly using blockchain in their life. It is definitely gonna be so good moment for Astar because Sony is so big here.
Oh, nice. Yeah, and I know Neurolanche is devastating on Astar, and I heard there's a NEROX AI project. So can you tell a little bit about that?
All right. I mean, NEROX AI actually gonna be our main product right now. We are just spending our all revenue, our income, everything, also our all times for NEROX AI. First, I need to mention here, we are not creating NEROX AI just creating one application. We are creating NEROX AI to create which application, AI application is the nearest to human behavior and emotions. Because of what we are seeing, we have some applications in AI parts. Of course, I mean everybody is creating AI applications. They are using the ChatGPT fine tunings, algorithm data sets, and they are just making fine tunings. They are not. They are just changing to UI, UX, like a front end stuff, and they are launching their applications. Probably when we're gonna go to like a Google Play App Stores, just if we're gonna write here AI, we're gonna see thousands of applications. On this process, NEROX AI will not be like these applications. Firstly, we need to find some solutions for the humanity. It is why when we are creating our AI applications, we are also building here different AI fine-tuning stuff. What is it meaning? Actually, we are not creating a one AI applications. We are creating like a Google Play Store. NEROX AI like gonna be like a Google Play Store. We're gonna have inside of NEROX AI different AI applications.
Right.
For example, one AI application is gonna be for the like a sport sector, like a personal trainer stuff. But also we're gonna have a dietitian stuff inside. For example, we're gonna have a transportation stuff, which when you are traveling like a Singapore from United States, you can use these AI applications. Also, we're gonna have digital twin stuff. You can directly talk with AI as your friends. We're gonna have a lot of different fine-tunings inside. Still, we are developing process. We finished the most important part, and 31 December we're gonna launch our first version of the AI in the Soneium chain. And on this process, I can say it. And also, if you're gonna go to in dApp staking stuff, we make it very well. dApp staking season last 1 year. I mean, we were so successful in dApp staking season 1. We were the biggest dApp staking pool after the core team. And in the second season, it was also so good. We reached near to 200 million Astar token. And on this process, end of this dApp staking season, which is coming to 33 days later, what's gonna happen? We're gonna give directly to our NEROX tokens. Airdrop gonna happen 33 days later, and we're gonna launch NEROX token end of this next dApp staking season. I'm sorry, this dApp staking season. What is meaning? I mean, we're gonna see 45 days later NEROX token in this one exchange.
Oh, Wow, that's awesome. So when will be the launch of the NEROX token?
I cannot give directly date right now, unfortunately, because we need to make a marketing before sharing it. But I can say end of October
End of October.
or
Around.
1st November.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can say it.
Okay, great. Did you have anything else you want to share with the community about your project?
Okay, sure. I mean, I need to mention here, when we are working in Neurolanche, we are not making something for just we need to make it. We are really spending a lot of time. For example, we spent near to 1 year to just preparing the tokenomics. As Neurolanche, we are not, how can I tell you, we are creating alright a lot of projects, but end of the day, we are just creating these applications to build in the future more better to giving utility for the NEROX. I said my friends and my core team, also my community too. When we are creating something, we shouldn't create just to say we created it. We need to become a successful, because when you are creating some projects, if you are becoming unsuccessful, you don't have another chance to fix it. It is why we are just working for you guys. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Neil.
Ciao.